In this video, we will examine how to diagnose an air compressor, building little to no air pressure. The first thing you should examine is if the pressure regulator is turned clockwise. If turning the regulator knob either clockwise or counterclockwise leads to no movement in the pressure gauges, this quick and simple how-to video will help you diagnose possible causes and how to fix it. In this series, we will show you how to check and replace worn or broken reed valves. First, unscrew the air filter. This is located on the side of the cylinder head. Next, remove the set screws holding the motor shroud. In this model, there are 2 hex screws on each side of the cover. When all screws have been removed, carefully slide and remove the motor shroud. Once the shroud is removed, check if there are loose wirings or fittings, and tighten if necessary. Loosen the nut holding the exhaust tube to the elbow on the cylinder head. Unscrew the 4 long hex bolts and pull the cylinder head off. Remove the 2 filled set screws holding the valve retainer. Inspect the intake reed valve for cracks, breakage, and heat marks. Under the valve plate, you'll find the exhaust reed valve. Inspect for cracks, breakage, and heat marks. Note, when pulling the valve plate off, be sure not to lose the small pins holding the exhaust reed valve. Align and place the exhaust reed valve on the cylinder. Place the cylinder top gasket. Set the valve plate on top of the cylinder. Place the intake reed valve on the valve plate and secure it with the valve retainer and set screws. replace the cylinder head gasket. Next, set and align the cylinder head to the cylinder and secure it down with the 4 long head bolts. Be careful not to over tighten it, as it may crack and break the cylinder head. Connect the exhaust tube to the elbow on the cylinder head. Slide the motor shroud back in place and secure it with the set screw. Finally, screw the air filter back on.